Hey guys, this is Jess here at Summit RV. Today I'm going to show you a brand new floor plan from Coachmen Catalina. This is a very unique floor plan and is a first for the travel trailer line. This RV has a floating patio. So stick with me here guys. I'm going to invite Matt LaFoon to come here and help us check this out.
Summit RV, camping made easy. Summit RV, vacation fun.
Hey guys, Matt from Summit RV. I want to show you a new camper we just got in. It's the Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 303 RKP. So we're going to start on the outside, we're going to work our way in. This camper's got some really cool features that you're going to love to see. Starting with the front over here, you can see you have your power tongue jack already installed. Your dual 20-pound tanks. Here on the front, you have nice open pass-through storage here. And as you can see on the outside here, you have a nice big awning with blue LED lights on the outside, and you also have blue LEDs here along the frame. Now I know you see in the back right now the really cool feature we want to show you, the porch that is out on the side of this. So normally you only see this in big fifth wheel toy haulers, but now you're seeing it in a travel trailer. So this is the party deck. You can see, and you got up front, you have the two speakers here on the outside, and you have outlet plug-ins there under the speakers as well. So we'll talk more about this when we get inside. So working our way around the back, you see you got your spare tire cover. Here you already have the rear backup camera system prepped already for the Furon camera system. Here you have your all aluminum fender wells over both sides. You have your hot and cold outside shower, as well as your black tank flush, both your water connections, and you have your cable satellite hookup right here. So also here on the outside, before we go inside, this does have the heated enclosed underbelly with the radiant heat, and it's always good to have an enclosed underbelly to keep dirt and grime, everything from underneath your camper, help keep critters moving in, stuff like that. Also, as you can see, we're moving in here. This does have the new solid step feature. These fold right into the front door. These are really nice, really sturdy. So you can see as soon as you come in, you have this nice big open area here on the inside. You have your sliding glass door here to take you outside to the porch. You have your entertainment area here with your 32-inch TV. You have your Furon electronic system here, CD, DVD. You have USB charger here as well, and you also have your electronic fireplace. Your electronic fireplace is good because it's going to give you free heat. It'll heat about 500 square feet. So you can see here in the rear kitchen, you have plenty of counter space here. You have your pull-down kitchen residential style faucet. You have your sink covers with a double den sink. Plenty of cabinet space here. You have your all matching appliances. You have your new Furon oven with this backlit blue LED with the glass top. You see also here, you have a nice backsplash, nice tile backsplash. Propane electric refrigerator. You have your booth down that seating area. This will break down to make a bed. And with the couch here, this is actually a full pull-out bed. This is not a jackknife sofa. So that's really handy to have. More sleeping area. And also here in the corner, you have your dual recliner set up. Really nice. So coming on back to the bedroom. You can see when you come in, nice big stand-up shower, plenty of room in the bathroom. Coming into the bedroom area, you have a nice big bedroom here. You can walk around the bedroom on both sides. You have your closets on both sides of the bed with overhead storage cabinets here. But here's a really cool thing about the bedroom. You have this nice area here for your TV. You have your TV hookups here, but you have all this drawer space there and here. You also have a whole nother area here for your closet area, top and bottom. You do have storage under your bed as well. So now let's take a step out and we'll go out on the porch. All right, when you're out here on the porch area, you can see the blue LED lights here under the awning. Really lights everything up. You have your outside speakers, your cable hookup, and your electric outlet for if you want to put a TV out here. This porch can hold 4 people very comfortably. Really nice floor plan. You can see you're covered with the awning all while you're outside. Really nice awning. And also here on to get down and onto the porch, you have really sturdy steps as well, just like the front entry steps.
Alright guys, so thanks for taking time to watch our video. Again, this is Jess at Summit RV in Ashland, Kentucky. This is the Catalina 303 RKP, Best in Show for 2019 from RV Pro. So come on and check it out. We are open Monday through Saturday year-round. Right now, Monday through Friday, we're open until 5:30 in the evenings, and on Saturday until 5. We are locally owned and operated by the same local family since 1976, and we are very proud of that here at Summit RV. We would love to have you as part of the Summit RV family. See you next time, guys.
RV camping made easy. Summit RV vacation fun. Summit RV.